హలో వ్యూవర్స్, నేను మీకు ఎక్స్‌ప్లనేషన్ ఇస్తా. బేసిక్స్ ఎలాగో చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం. క్రోమ్‌లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తా. చెప్పిన ముందు పైథాన్ ఇక్కడ ఇది ఓపెన్ చేసి చెప్తా మీకు, చూడండి. ఓకే, పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. Python is a high-level, general-purpose and a very popular programming language. Python programming language is being used in web development, machine learning application. Okay, guys, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాను. Python is a high-level, general programming purpose and very అని చెప్పారు. అంటే ఇది ఒక పెద్ద పెద్ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీస్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఈ బేస్ మీదే ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేస్తున్నాయి అన్నమాట. అండ్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ యూజ్ ఇన్ వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్. అంటే మనకి సి ఎలాగో అది ఇలాగే, కాకపోతే ఇది మనకి సి వచ్చి హ్యాష్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ఎస్టిడివి అలా ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే మనకి ఇక్కడ పైథాన్ అన్నది చాలా సింపుల్, కానీ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఒక 3 వీక్స్ పడుతుంది ఫుల్గా బేసిక్స్. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ బేసిక్స్ వస్తే ఇంకా తెలిసిందే, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్, ఏఐ, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంతా ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ బేస్ చేసి చేస్తారు. Along with the cutting edge technology in software industry, Python programming language is well suited for beginners and for also experienced programmers with other programming languages like C++ and Java. I said no, C++ and Java. Okay. Some facts I want to tell about Python programming. The Python is currently the most widely multi-purpose high-level programming language. It is an object-oriented and procedural paradigms. Python programming is generally smaller than other programming languages like Java programmers. Python is being used by almost all tech companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and Uber. The main applications are machine learning geo applications like Kiwi, Tinker, and Pykit are used in Python only. WebFramer, Django used by YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox, image processing like OpenCV, Pillow, web scraping like Scrappy, Beautiful Soup, Selenium, test frameworks, multimedia, and etc. Okay, these are the first basics I want to tell. Next, how to write programming language. Now go to programming. How to print a hello world. Okay, today we'll tell just 4 programs. Okay, see, Python programming to print hello world. A simple program that displays hello world. అంటే ఇది ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ అనమాట. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ అన్నది క్యారెక్టర్. అసలు చెప్పాలంటే మనం ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ప్రింట్ అనే బిల్ట్ ఇన్ ఫంక్షన్ డైరెక్ట్గా. మనం దానికి సెంటెన్సులు రాసి ఇదంతా వేస్ట్ పైథాన్లో. ఇట్ ఆఫెన్ యూజ్ టు ఇల్స్ట్రేట్ ద సింటాక్స్ ఆఫ్ ది లాంగ్వేజ్. దానికి ఒక సింటాక్స్ ఆఫ్ ది లాంగ్వేజ్కి ఇది ఒక సింటాక్స్ అనమాట. To determine this example, we have the knowledge of the following Python programming topics మీద knowledge ఉండాలి. How to get started. చూడండి, ఈ వీడియో చూడాలి. Python is a cross-platform programming language మనకు తెలిసింది, which means it can run on multiple virtual machines. అంటే platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and have been Java ported to the Java and .NET. In virtual machines, it is a free and open source అన్నమాట. Even though most of the today's Linux and Mac have pre-installed, but they are outdated. We have to install the current version only. Okay. The easiest way to run is idle. See, this is the today idle, but we are using this idle, Python idle. See, and how to install also I will see. I will just tell. See, type python dot org means here the versions and how to download. See, all source codes, Windows, Mac OS, other platform license. Okay, here how to download. Mm, This is the ideal shell. I said na, I will show directly. See, I also done this code. This program prints hello world. Print hello world. I print hello world. See, I firstly tell about in this program we have to in this program we have built using the built-in print function to print the string hello world. Hello world is the character sequence of the character. String is sequence of character. In Python, strings are enclosed in double quotes like this. Single quote. This is single quote and double quote and triple quotes. Okay. This is the first program over. Go to add two numbers. In this program, you will learn to add two numbers and display in print function. To understand this example, you should have the knowledge of the following Python programming topics. Okay. See, there are two types of built-in functions. This tutorial focuses on two built-in functions like printf and input to perform I/O tasks in the Python. You also learn to import modules and use them in your program. We use the print function to output the data standard output device on screen. We have to discuss later. Okay. See, I ran this program. I am showing right now. Firstly, write this program has two numbers. For example, I control C. I write another down only. See, here they give 1.5, but I 1.4 I will given and 6.2. Okay. Now add. See, there is gap. It means calculating two numbers. I'm doing the second video of the Python because there is internet problem. You see, I show calculate the user. I also show the output. Control S, Control F5. Okay, this is the output. Next, add two numbers without user input. Without giving user input, add two numbers. So, see, num1 is number one giving input. Here enter first number. We are entering the first number. That's why you write the enter first number because we are storing two input numbers. Num2 equal to input. We are giving the input as enter second number. Okay, we have to add the given two numbers. Sum equal to float. They are floated numbers. Float equal to num1 plus num2. Display this sum. Print the sum of 0 and 1 is 2i only. Format. We are formatting these things. Means in this program we ask to enter to a number and display the sum. We use the built-in function like input and take the input. Since input returns a string, we convert the string into a number using the float function. The numbers are added. See, and the first number 1.4 something and 6.2 something. The sum here, see, display the sum of 0 and 1. We also got the sum of 0 and 1 is 2 means 7.6. Okay, next, lastly, Python program to calculate square root. This is the positive integer to find out the square root. Okay, thank you to 100. Please subscribe and like the channel. Technical Solutions Software channel. Signing off. Okay.